Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean up hissing background audio noise in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches, navigate to the audio mixer section. This is where all your audio sources are displayed and controlled within OBS. Now decide which audio source you want to clean up, whether that's audio desktop, mic/aux, or audio capture device. Once you've identified the audio mixer you want to work with, click the small icon next to it and then select Filters from the menu that appears. This opens up the Filters panel where you'll apply the noise reduction settings. In the Filters window, click the plus button on the left side. From the list that appears, select Noise Suppression and then click OK to add this filter to your audio source. This filter is specifically designed to reduce constant background noise like hissing or humming. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu within the Noise Suppression filter. Click on it and select RN Noise. This is the best general choice for most situations as it uses advanced processing to intelligently remove unwanted noise while preserving your voice quality. Now click the plus button on the left side again to add another filter. This time select Noise Gate from the list and click OK. The Noise Gate works by automatically muting your microphone when you're not speaking, which further eliminates background noise during silent moments. With the Noise Gate filter now added, navigate to the Close Threshold setting. Use the slider and drag it to the left side, setting the value to -40. This determines the audio level at which the gate closes and mutes your microphone. Next, navigate to the Open Threshold setting. Use the slider to move it to the left and set this value to -35. This controls the audio level at which the gate opens and allows sound through. The difference between these two values creates a smooth transition that prevents the gate from rapidly opening and closing. Finally, click Close at the bottom right to save all your changes. Your audio is now cleaned up with both noise suppression and a noise gate working together to eliminate that hissing background noise. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.